Hello, in this video we're considering the poem Dreams by Langston Hughes. Before we start, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated if you would. Many thanks. I have the poem here, so let's start. Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. Here is a poem with an important message for us all. There's plenty to unpack, so let's start. In line 1, the imperative, order, hold fast, stresses the importance of never letting go of your dreams. Using the imperative frames the poem as wise advice, and the speaker's tone is reflective, demonstrating he has thought long and hard on the subject. Enjambment, run-on lines, makes the poem conversational, as though the speaker is addressing us directly. For example, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. The importance of holding on to our dreams is reflected in the repetition of the first lines of each stanza and the poet's decision not to replace dreams with a pronoun such as they. This repetition is an example of anaphora, a rhetorical device that makes the poem's message more powerful when read out loud. In lines 3 and 4, the metaphor compares a life without dreams to a bird without wings. It suggests if we lose our dreams, we lose our purpose in life. We stay grounded, having lost the faculty to fly and soar through life to realise our dreams. Our ambitions are never realised through disillusionment, listening to bad advice, or letting others bully us into doing their bidding. Placing this advice on the last line of stanza 1 gives the message extra emphasis. Line 3 also breaks the metre of the two preceding lines, a broken line and broken wings. Stanza 2, on lines 7 and 8, through metaphor, the poet compares lost dreams to a barren field frozen with snow. Barren and frozen, negative emotive words associated with winter, stress that to have no dreams is a death of sorts. No ideas will grow again. Snow suggests the absence of dreams is like a colourless, cold field, where our aspirations cannot grow and our creativity, our imagination, never cultivated. Any individual who has lost their dreams is barren of creativity, inspiration and motivation. Interestingly, the poem's structure of two stanzas mimics a bird's wings in its symmetry. The simple rhyming pattern makes the speaker's important message easier to remember. Langston Hughes, born in Joplin, Missouri in 1901, had his first book of poems published in 1926 and went on to have a 5-decade career in which he wrote short stories, poems, plays, books for children, as well as newspaper columns and novels. He is considered today as one of the, if not the, most important writers of the Harlem Renaissance. The Harlem Renaissance was the development of the Harlem neighbourhood in New York as a black cultural mecca in the early 20th century and the subsequent social and artistic explosion. It lasted mainly from the 1910s through the mid-1930s, and the period is considered a golden age in African American culture, manifesting in literature, music, stage performance and art. Langston Hughes died in May of 1967 and his ashes were interred at the entrance of the Centre for Research in Black Culture in Harlem. Additionally, his home was registered as a historic landmark. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. If so, please hit the like button below. Also, check out our other videos on textual analysis and writing. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, it would be fantastic and much appreciated if you would. Thank you so much. Until next time, from Carol and me, write well.